Hello, this is Cold Green Buddy, and I wanted to talk with you about the comforts of being a mechanic. Not that I am, but I'm playing like one. So, we all know I have problems with the engine, and there's already one frost plug repaired, but currently water came on the lens. So I'm back, yes. The problem is, in the first cylinder, closest to the radiator, you can see there that it's dripping. Yeah, I had it on video. So I was trying to go there with my hand, and I can just get there one finger, because it's quite tight here. Even though it's a tractor engine, it's still only 2.5 liters and you cannot fit your hand in. What I can feel is that the bottom of the cylinder isn't smooth anymore. It's extremely rough even, and it's only on one side. The other side is very smooth. So what I am suspecting is that it's leaking between the cylinder sleeve and the block, because it is simply corroded. How that's possible, I'm not sure how. Probably because they were using water as a coolant instead of actual coolant with glycol in it. So yeah, that's the problem for now. For the rest, the engine looks actually quite good. I am sure that it is already opened before, because not every bolt is the same. Like you can see on this engine, this bolt in the middle is not the same as that bolt. So yeah, it's not even the same size. So yeah, for some reason they decided to use a different size. I expected that shouldn't be like that. Actually wondering why here's a hole. Maybe it's an oil hole, but it doesn't look like it should be, because here with my finger there is a hole for a bolt. So why is there nothing? I have to figure that one out. But yeah, basically here I'm laying on the ground under the tractor, and the tractor is supported by big blocks of wood, not Harbor Freight stuff, so no worries. And yeah, the water is falling on my face, so it's not the best situation. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope it's an acceptable video. I cannot make it much better in this tight spot. So thanks for watching.